What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. We're prepping for Snert Run, which is coming up in a few days. So we're taking our Ranger up there. It's going to be pretty muddy, so it'd be nice to have the cab, and it's a pretty slow poker run style run. So we got the new Quadboss dual large cargo boxes to put in the back of this Ranger. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you how to install them and just check them out overall. I've never had these before. I hear real good things about them. We do sell them. They're available on our website, teamfasmotorsports.com. So let's go ahead and unbox these. So these do come in a pair, and let's go ahead and get this out. That's what they look like. You can put a lock through there if you want. That is the part number. Crossover box. You can put one on each side. They have these molded pegs here that fit right into the lock and rides on the bed of the Ranger. And they do come with some hardware and some plugs for you to lock it down from the sides here. So that is the pair of them. So basically these are going to fit. There's obviously a right and a left to these, but these are going to fit right in here. And obviously, you know, we'll just hammer them down in there, but that's how they're going to go on both sides. Nice. They got a nice lip here to keep some of the water out. They have an air plug there. I don't see a drain plug, so they probably wouldn't be good as far as being a cooler. But that is where they go. This one's obviously going to go on this side. But we have our EMP bucket holder here, so we'll have to remove this, and then we'll get this one set up over here. So these plugs obviously have been in here a while. They're a little tough. We're going to go ahead and just spray some lubricant down in there, and hopefully they'll pop right out. Okay, so what we're going to use is this household oil. I didn't actually want to put any sort of PB blast or anything on the bed. Okay, once you have those plugs removed, we can go ahead and just make sure everything is out of the way here. Okay, so right here it is hitting our Polaris work light. So we will have to take this out. It's 2 bolts on the back here and slide it out a little bit just so that it go ahead and clears that. I don't really want to bend it too much. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get that adjusted and make sure everything slides down nice. And we should be good to go. Okay, see, we are clearing that now. So we'll go ahead and tighten this back up. Still clearing, good. That's gonna go right back into there. Everything will clear. So on this, it looks like there is a little tension here. So if you do have one of these lights, you'll probably want to adjust your bracket out a little bit, which is not a big deal at all. So we'll go ahead and do that on ours as well. But that is pretty much it as far as getting these things in. Take a rubber mallet, hit them into the holes. If you do have bed tie downs like we do in here, you can see it's not sitting too flush here. So that is because we'll have to remove this bed tie down so it doesn't hit the back here and it'll be able to sit flush. So once that's done, this thing will sit down there and there flush, and it's going to fit pretty snug. So it actually says in the instructions here, these are not necessary, but if you do want to add them, go ahead and add them. They're just lock and rides like those were, and they'll go down the hole there, and you can, you know, strap it down a little bit tighter. We want to be able to remove these this weekend and take some of our gear in with us. So we're going to leave them without these in it. They're definitely not going to come out. Once they lay flat in there, they are pretty snug in there. So that is it. Again, Quadboss Ranger crossover boxes. They make 2 sizes. This is the larger one. Both of them do come as a pair. There's some other boxes as well. EMP makes one. That's a decent box as well. But if you need these, all these boxes are available on our website, teamfasmotorsports.com. Thanks for watching and have a good week.